It's 1954. You're 52 years old. You're broke. Your last business failed. Most people think your best years are behind you. Then you walk into a tiny burger restaurant, and within 5 minutes, you realize you're looking at a billion-dollar opportunity.
Chapter 1: The Discovery.
The restaurant isn't fancy. No waiters. No expensive decorations. Just burgers, fries, and milkshakes. But something feels different. Customers receive their food in under 30 seconds. The kitchen runs like a factory. Every employee knows exactly what to do. No wasted movement. No confusion. You can't stop watching. You ask yourself, what if every town in America had one of these? Chapter 2. Everyone says you're crazy. You pitch your idea. Expand the restaurant across the country. Open hundreds, then thousands of locations. Most people laugh. Nobody wants identical restaurants. People prefer local diners. You're too old to start over. But you've learned something. People don't just buy food, they buy consistency. If someone loves your burger in one city, they want that exact same burger everywhere they go. Chapter 3. The Secret Formula. Opening restaurants isn't enough. You need owners who care. So instead of managing every location yourself, you let entrepreneurs invest in their own stores. They follow one system, one menu, one standard. Every burger tastes the same. Every fry is cooked the same. Every customer knows exactly what to expect. Your company grows faster than anyone imagined. Chapter 4. The Genius Move. But then you notice something. Restaurants make money. Land makes fortunes. Instead of only selling burgers, you begin buying the land beneath every restaurant. Now every new location pays you rent. Even when burgers aren't selling, the real estate keeps making money. That's when your business transforms into an empire. Ending. Years later, your restaurants are found in almost every country on earth. Millions of people eat there every single day. And it all started because one struggling salesman saw potential, where everyone else saw a small burger stand. The biggest businesses aren't always built by inventing something new. Sometimes they're built by seeing what everyone else overlooks. If you want to experience the biggest business decisions in history through POV storytelling, subscribe now because the next story might change how you see success forever.